Andersen's Little Mermaid by Medusa the Dollmaker special treatment. We first have the free abalone that have been chosen by the customer who purchased this painting, and that is what we've placed over here on her tail. So you can sprinkle the free abalone crystals that you get on her green tail. If you have chosen the magenta crystals for the free special beads, then you can place them on the red corals. But since she requested for special treatment, then we are going to have the free abalone on the tail, and then for version 1, add the magenta crystals for the red coral. So sprinkle those on there. And then for version 2, we sprinkle electric diamonds along the border. So simply sprinkle it on the frame just to give it an added glisten in the background. And finally for version 3, we've filled in the sort of loop or hoop or a half circle that she's leaning on that looks like a very thin moon. So those are the moonlight crystals. So for Andersen's Little Mermaid by Medusa the Dollmaker special treatment, we have free abalone crystals, and then version 3 is this: magenta crystals, electric diamonds, and moonlight crystals.